Welcome back to the channel, Boomsticks family. We are at the G Street Trailhead Park in Kerrville, Texas. This is the Guadalupe River Basin. This is the low water crossing you see here. What you see in front of you used to be a woodlands with 50 to 60 foot tall cypress trees throughout. We used to come to this area every other weekend and bring one of the gat cats to play in the woods. It will be some time before we are doing that again. So you can see news crews are here documenting this as well. Search and rescue in the area.